Hi guys, we're looking at negative exponents from your Khan Academy homework. So let's dive in. Negative exponents. So we're given 1 divided by a to the 7th equals what? So which of these options would be equivalent? And we know our topic is about negative exponents, right? Because it tells us. So let's just kind of recap what information we know about negative exponents. So if we have, right, we'll say like x to the power of negative m. That's the same thing as saying 1 over x to the power of m. I think I told you guys in class, right? It's like kind of like a Stranger Things reference. Like this is that Demogorgon, right? When he's in the real world, right? It's a negative thing, but then once they go down to their own world in the upside down, right? Then they're positive, they're happy. So, and it was like kind of a stretch. It was like kind of a weird example, but it's going to help us remember, I promise. Okay, so in this case, what we're given is 1 over a to the 7th. And we're noticing there's no negatives here, so we're not flipping. But we have to select which of these options match up. All right, well, we know we can kind of work backwards from our equation over here. Please hold. All right, so we can work backwards. Right? We're given 1 over a to the 7th. So it's like we're given the Demogorgon. He's positive, he's happy. In the upside down, he needs to move. He wants to move to the real world, right? Because we're seeing which one matches. So base stays the same, but now the exponent would be negative. And you'll notice that this is still following our formula, right? It was, because we can write the formula, there's one other way too. Please hold. Okay. We could also write it as sometimes they might start with a negative in the denominator, like negative m, and that's the same thing as it being positive in the numerator. So I just want to throw that out there. Sometimes they might give you something like this to kind of trip you up. We'll just add it. Okay, so let's see. We're going to check again. Does this make sense? Does this answer work? Okay, so we've got our base a. If we say it's equal to negative 7, yep, so that follows with our formula, right? A negative exponent can be rewritten as being positive, and it's like the reciprocal, right? It's flipped. It was in the numerator, now it's in the denominator and positive, right? So in this case, we're gonna check B. Yay! All right, let's try another one together. So we're just keep using the formula, y to the power of negative 2 is equal to what? Which option? So we're noticing again, ding, 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 we've got a negative exponent. So we're looking at, right, these two options where we have negative exponents. So we're like, is this in the numerator or denominator? And it's in the numerator, right? There's no fraction, so it's in the numerator. So we want to make this positive. We're going to follow our example over here, our notes, and we're going to just we're just going to flip it. So it was in the numerator, now it's going to go to the denominator, and it's going to become positive. So it was negative, and now it flipped and became positive. So that looks like it's going to be option C for this one. And we'll check. Yay! All right, continue using this notes to finish the last couple problems. And again, as always, if you have any questions, let me know. All right, bye.